Dialogue 9.
What sports can you play?
I can play tennis, basketball, football, and volleyball. What about you? What sports can you play?
I can play baseball, badminton, and football.
Can you swim?
Of course. Can you?
No, but my brother can, and he will teach me.
Possessive adjectives. Possessive pronouns.
It is my bag.
It's my bag.
It is your watch.
It's your watch.
It is his book.
It's his book.
It is her car.
It's her car.
It is our camera.
It's our camera.
It is their house.
It's their house.
It is John's handphone.
It's John's handphone.
It is Mary's hat.
It's Mary's hat. Whose bag is it?
It's mine. It's yours. It's his. It's hers. It's John's. It's Mary's. It's ours. It's yours. It's theirs.
Is it your bag?
Yes, it's mine.
Is it his watch?
No, it's yours.
Is it John's handphone?
Yes, it's his.
Is it my hat?
No, it's hers.
Is it your camera?
Yes, it's ours.
Is it our book?
No, it's his.
Is it John and Mary's house?
Yes, it's theirs.
Whose?
Whose bag is that?
It's mine.
Whose book is this?
It's his.
Whose car is that?
It's hers.
Whose hat is this?
It's Mary's.
Whose clothes are those?
They're John's.
Whose shoes are these?
They're yours.
Whose pens are these?
They're ours.
Whose clothes are those?
They're yours.